Hi everyone, welcome back. So today it is part 2 of my spring cleaning. We're going to be tackling the kitchen, doing a little bit of baking, and a huge thank you to Roborock for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Today we're starting off in my living room, and I like to spot clean my sofa every few months, especially the pilling. The pilling is crazy, but it's really like this with everything. It's not just my couch, it also happens to my chairs. I also wanted to show you guys the new living room arrangement. I feel like it looks so much bigger, and all I did was rotate the entire sectional, and then I brought out the 2 swivel chairs that I keep in the master bedroom. And then I removed that little table that was by the window, and I kind of put it off to a corner. And I feel like this really rounded out the entire living room and turned it kind of into a conversational area. And then we also swapped out the chandelier. I think this might be y'all's first time seeing it because I did share it over on Instagram, but it just looks absolutely gorgeous. I also swapped out the living room rug, and then I also wanted to incorporate some spring decor, so I did bring out some of my blue pillows that I had in storage. I also added curtains to the living room. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I feel like it makes a huge difference as well. Now we're moving on to the entryway, and there wasn't much to do here except just clean the floors because it has gotten so muddy from all the rain that we've had. Okay, so to clean the floors, I'm going to be using my newest Roborock. You guys know I love my hands-free Roborock. It's absolute game changer. But this one is for those of us that want a more hands-on experience, but you still want that same deep, powerful clean. This is the Roborock F25. What makes it stand out is the ability to handle both wet and dry messes in one step. It's really nice not to have to go back and forth between a mop and a vacuum. And when I tell you, this thing is so powerful, not only did it do an amazing job cleaning up all the mud, but this thing can pick up dirt, dust, food spills, like you name it. If you have long hair like me, you know the struggle with shedding. So I accumulated all the hair in my bathroom so that I could show you their zero hair tangling design. It's amazing. You don't have to sit there and like untangle it from the brush. You guys know what I'm talking about if you have long hair like me. But look at this, no hair, and it just like cleans it up so seamlessly. Also, this new design has an improved lay flat design so it can get underneath those really low spaces. But let's not forget the thing that I love the most is the self-cleaning and drying roller station, so that you don't have a dirty, smelly mop and it's ready to go every single time. So if you're in the market for a machine like this that can do it all, highly recommend you take advantage of their deal going on right now. You can get it for $100 off, so it comes out to $299.99 from March 25th all the way to March 31st. You can click the link in my bio, or you can search Roborock F25 on Google or Amazon. I have been working on so many projects this past month, so the kitchen has been an absolute disaster and just like chaos. I've been shooting so much content. My husband has been so amazing with like picking up after me and just like trying to contain the kitchen, but it was time to declutter and just get rid of some stuff that I wasn't needing. I also wanted to redo our coffee station, so I did it section by section because honestly I was a little overwhelmed, like there was a lot to do. And then I decided to add a little bit of wall art, my coffee syrups, and I kept this area a little bit neutral, but with just like a pop of color. I told you guys in my last video that I wanted to organize my spices and like my condiments that are in this cabinet and also my drawer. However, I was waiting on some spice containers to come in, which they actually ended up arriving towards the end of this video. So I did not get to the spices, but I did get to the condiments.
So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. And let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by. Tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in.
We're doing Easter brunch this year, so I did a whole tablescape, like a really pretty pastel tablescape. That video is going to be up very soon, so I don't want to spoil it in this video, but that's everything you guys saw at the very beginning, so it looked absolutely crazy, but I went ahead and put everything away because I was already done filming that, and I'm not going to bring that back up until Easter time. For now, I just kept it very simple. I really wish I could keep my dining table like fully set up with dishes and all of that, but this is our only dining table. It just would not be very practical, but I love the way that it looks. I don't know what it is about a clean kitchen, but it totally inspires me to cook every single time. And I actually had some bananas that were about to go bad, so I decided to make some banana bread, but I wanted to make it with pistachios. I have been obsessed with pistachios lately because of the whole like pistachio Dubai chocolate bar. It is just such a wonderful combination. So I found a recipe online and I just kind of tweaked it. That basically you crush the pistachios and you just put it into your regular banana bread. It turned out so good. So I was going to put the chocolate chips in the mix, but I decided to only put it on top just in case it was like too sweet. But I'm glad that I did because it just turned out perfect. It was like the perfect balance of sweet to chocolate to pistachio. Oh, by the way, these are the spice jars that I was telling you guys about. It was literally like Christmas all over again opening these, and I didn't want to like unwrap all of them, but I did open two so that you guys could see what they look like. But I'm so excited to do this. But let me know if you want to see it in a different video.
Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me.
While my banana bread was baking, I decided to tackle one more area, my office, because I have not shown you guys what I've done in here. So it's still a work in progress. I feel like this room is never done, but I really needed storage in here. So I found this console table at Walmart and it ended up being perfect, which I think I had shown it to you guys before, but this is what I ended up doing for the springtime. Just kept it really light. I absolutely love displaying my Polaroid pictures. And then of course I added some fresh flowers.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go.
That is everything I have for you guys today. The banana bread turned out amazing. Again, huge thank you to Roborock for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check them out. I will have it linked in the info box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe before you go, and until next time, bye.